And now here's Myles with a look ahead at what will be making headlines next week.
All right, the World Economic Forum at Davos kicks off on Tuesday. Every year, this event is kind of an eye roll. A bunch of rich people, thought leaders, and politicians get together in the obscenely expensive Swiss Alp resort town and talk about saving the world. But for investors, the event is at least worth noting because in each of the last 3 years, it's been a great contra for the market. In 2017, Reuters said the event's mood was anything but celebratory, and then in 2017, the S&P went up about 20%. Now, go forward a year to 2018, Ray Dalio said you look pretty stupid holding cash, and our own Andy Serwer said that attendees called the mood the best in memory. Stocks then endured their worst year since the crisis. Last year, the AP said the economic outlook was darkening as the world's wealthy descended on Davos. And 2019, as we all know, one of the best years for financial markets this century. And so you are welcome to ignore all the do-gooding talk of the disassociated executive class in the week ahead. It's more than a little self-serving and off-putting. But there have been worse ways to get a sense of how the market won't trade in the year ahead than by simply fading the mood at Davos. So maybe pay some attention, if for no other reason than you'll hear what not to think in 2020. Now, turning to the calendar for next week, on the earnings side, things will get increasingly busy. More than 40 members of the S&P are scheduled to report their quarterly results. Results from Netflix after the close on Tuesday should be one of the week's big highlights. Investors will also track results out of IBM, American Airlines, United Airlines, Southwest Airlines, Procter & Gamble, and American Express. And then on the economic data side, things are going to be a little quieter. Existing home sales, initial claims, and the first look at manufacturing and service sector activity in January will highlight the schedule. And don't forget, the week ahead is a holiday-shortened one. U.S. markets are closed on Monday in observation of Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.